Do you want to learn English, Spanish, Korean, or even French, but you always get bored after just 2 days? Today I'm going to show you an app that makes language learning fun, addictive, and super easy, Duolingo. And trust me, once you start, you won't want to stop. So, what is Duolingo? It's the world's most popular language learning app with over 500 million learners. It teaches more than 40 languages, including English, Spanish, Chinese, Korean, German, French, and so many more. You can even learn fun languages like High Valyrian from Game of Thrones. The best part? It feels like you're playing a game, not studying. Here's what makes Duolingo so addictive. First, the lessons are gamified. When you complete them, you earn XP, get rewards, and level up, just like in a video game. Second, the lessons are bite-sized, only taking about 3 to 5 minutes each. This is perfect if you have a busy schedule. Third, there's the streak system. Duolingo motivates you to learn every single day. If you miss a day, your streak breaks, and honestly, that hurts more than failing an exam. Finally, you get to compete on leaderboards with other learners every week, which pushes you to improve without getting bored. You don't just memorize words. You speak, listen, translate, and build sentences. That's why it works. Duolingo teaches you using a method called active recall and repetition. You learn new vocabulary, then you repeat it in different sentences. You listen to native pronunciation and even practice speaking out loud. This combination improves your speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills, and most importantly, your confidence. For students, Duolingo can be a total game changer. You can improve your English, learn a language for studying abroad, or even boost your resume for job opportunities. The good news is that Duolingo is 100% free. You can learn any language without paying anything. The paid version, Super Duolingo, just removes ads and gives you unlimited mistakes. But honestly, the free version is more than enough for most learners. Now, a small warning. Duolingo is great for vocabulary and basic grammar, but it can't replace real conversation. For full fluency, you still need to practice speaking with people and watch shows or read books in that language. Use Duolingo as your foundation. It's the easiest way to start learning a language. It's fun, and it's free, and it actually works if you stay consistent. So here's your challenge. Download Duolingo today and complete one lesson every day for 7 days. Then come back to this video and tell me about your progress in the comments. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to share and subscribe for more helpful tools.